nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family. And happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Okay, let me get my housekeeping out the way. Thank you all for loving and supporting my channel and me. I appreciate all the support. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to do something. You can make it for Thanksgiving, you can make it for Christmas, you can make it for anytime, you know. I don't know, you don't have to wait until October to have pumpkin. So we're going to be making today my pumpkin cheesecake. Yes, a pumpkin cheesecake. And so we're going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started so I can show you how you can do this at home and you don't have to go to that famous factory. Okay, for our crust, well, first you're going to need a 9-inch springform pan, and make sure you put the bottom, cover it really tight with aluminum foil. And you're going to need a larger pan than this to use the water bath. A water bath keeps the cake from cracking on top. And I already have my water bath already in the oven, and it's been in there about 30 minutes, so it's going to be nice and hot by the time I get finished with this. Okay, for your crust, you're going to take about 40 ginger snap cookies. Yes, I use these because they are really, really good, and Skip loved those. And I used the whole box, okay? And I used 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my 1 stick of melted butter, and you're going to pour that in there. And we're going to, oops, I almost knocked it down. We'd have to start over. And you're going to mix all that together. Okay, now we are going to spray our springform pan with some Pam. Okay, now we are going to get our crust in. Patting it down. You know, I never eat the crust on a cheesecake. I never eat the crust. Never, ever do I eat the crust. Smoothing it around the sides. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to take those, I'm going to use the extra breadcrumbs, not breadcrumbs, cookie crumbs. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. And I don't worry about it being even, going all the way around, you know, perfect. Because I don't know Perfect Patty. Because Perfect Patty don't live here. No, she don't. Oh, Dusty, hush up that fuss up there. I hear you. Y'all know Dusty. Okay, I got my crust. Now I'm going to put my crust in the oven for 10 minutes, okay? And for your cheesecake filling, you're going to need 4 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, okay? 4 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. Oh, a piece of paper got in there. Left a piece of foil on it. Glad I saw that. Okay, 3, 4, I don't know, forgot what I said. 4 blocks of cream cheese. That's 4 8-ounce blocks, the big one. You're going to need 1 can of pumpkin, not pumpkin puree, pumpkin, pure pumpkin, like Libby's, or Walmart has a really good brand. I buy that one too. 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, as you can see, and 1 teaspoon of salt. 1½ tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 4 large eggs, room temperature, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so we're going to get our cream cheese. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we're going to get Olive May over here so she can do her job. Okay, I want to cream my cream cheese first until it's nice and creamy. And I'm going to put that on high. Now I'm going to cream in with that. I'm going to add my sugars to my cream cheese. And get that blended well. And the same rules still apply. If it's on the side of the bowl, it ain't what? It ain't mixing. Now I am going to add my eggs. It's not necessary to add eggs one at a time if you got a really good mixture and you got good eyes to see if it's mixing. It's best to have a really good mixer. I'm going to cream in my cornstarch, my spices, and my vanilla. I'm going to cream that together first. The star of the show, the pumpkin and the sour cream. And now our pumpkin. The entire can. Don't skimp. Don't try to save none for snack. Get all your pumpkin out of here. Like I said, I know you want to save some of it for snack, but it's not snack time. Okay, now I'm going to blend this really well together. I got my spatula to scrape down my bowl. Now I'll be back. My crust is nice and done and crispy. Okay, I'm going to pour my batter in. And now I'm going to put this in the water bath. And this is still hot from the oven on the counter. So I'm going to put this in the oven. And I'm going to set the timer. It's on 350. And I'm going to set the timer for 30 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and turn my heat down to 325 and bake another hour. All right, guys, here's the cheesecake. Unfortunately, it has to chill overnight and set overnight. So it's all done. You know it's done. You get that wiggle jiggle. And this is what I was talking about, a water pan. But a lot of the water has evaporated because I filled it up to halfway up to the pan. And as it bakes, the water evaporates. But you see, it prevented it from cracking. You know, it doesn't look like the Grand Canyon all over the place, okay? So you'll see a slice of it, what it looks like on the inside in a thumbnail picture. And so this is the pumpkin cheesecake. Thank you guys for watching my video and hanging out with Auntie in the kitchen while we made and baked this pumpkin cheesecake. Again, you'll see a picture of it in the thumbnail. because I got to get it in the fridge. But before you put that cheesecake in the fridge, you need to make sure it's completely cooled down to, to touch, very cool. Then you put it in the fridge, and it needs to sit at least between 8 hours to 24 hours to completely set. All right, so I will see you guys later. Happy Thanksgiving to you and yours, and go be you. But what I say, go be great being you. I'll talk to you later. Tight hugs, kisses to you all. Love you. Bye.